will be fixing my HP EliteBook 840 laptop. Its screen is broken, as you can see, and I'm going to be replacing the screen with a better one. Some tools you might need are a screwdriver, an X-Acto knife, some metal tweezers, and a spudger tool. What I'm going to be doing is pry this part off of the screen. You're going to be doing that by using your fingernails to get under and prying it off. I've removed this part of the screen, and now we have to remove 4 screws so we can remove the screen from the screen assembly. So the 4 screws are one at the bottom left, one at the bottom right, one at the top left, and one at the top right. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, so we grab this part and from the metal parts and pull it down. Peeled off most of the adhesive tape, and we have to peel it back. And voila, the screen's free. So all you have to do is, I've got the new screen, and just push this in. And then I advise you to use some invisible tape to tape the adhesive down, because it probably won't hold the screen together. Okay. Put the screen back up. All you have to do is line it up with the other part of the screw, and then put the screw on this side. So I've replaced the screws and push it up. Just make sure all the wires are in the correct place, and it should work. Just turn the power on, and still have to put this on. But otherwise, that's how you replace a screen. It's the fixed laptop with a new screen, and this is how it looks. Great. Thanks for watching.